Hello little artist, I'm Mariana Olson and today we are drawing Twilight of My Little Pony. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers, but you can change it for color pencils or crayons. I'm using also a white pen and I'm gonna be using a black marker for drawing that you can change for pencil. Let's start here on the top of the paper. The first thing I'm gonna do is the ear, and I wanna do a curved line that goes down and another one that goes down to the right, but this is shorter, okay? Shorter than this one. Okay, so now I want to continue from here for the short part of the ear, and I'm going to go down to start the top part of her hair, and I'm just going to do a short line that goes down. And now I'm going to go to the right a little bit, just a short line too, and I'm going to try to go horizontal right here. And the next is gonna be to do a triangle. So let's go up and down just like that. And now a little line, and that's it. Now I'm gonna go from this point around to this point, okay? So let's go slow. I'm gonna start going around and connect to this point. Now here I'm gonna do a couple lines. So let's do one line that goes from the corner here down. And let's do one more, leaving a space, and one more down. And from this line is gonna be a triangle. There's gonna be the horn, and the pointy part is round, okay? Let's put a couple lines inside, and that's it. I wanna do two more lines in behind the horn that goes down, the same idea. So I'm leaving a space and going down, and I'm passing these lines in behind the horn, just like that, and that's it. Okay, just to finish this ear, I'm gonna put one more line here, another curved line that goes down. And that's it for the hair in the ear. Now I wanna trace here a curved line that goes down from the ear here. And I wanna stop right there, that's the part of the back. And now let's go up again, and I'm gonna trace a curved line in between the triangle with it, and goes down just like this. Now let's trace one more line here for the top part of her mouth, and now I'm gonna go down with a curved line, and here I'm gonna do a triangle. So for that I'm gonna follow this line, put a little dot here. I wanna connect the dot with this end with a curved line. Now I wanna leave a space, and I wanna do the same, following the same mark, the same curve. Now I'm gonna go down from this point. I'm gonna go down and curve in there. Okay, now let's do the eyes. From this corner, I'm gonna go down with a curved line, and it's gonna touch the top part of the mouth, just like that. And now inside, on the right side, we're gonna do a half a circle. So I'm just gonna go like this. And then inside, I'm gonna do an oval shape. I'm gonna do two, but the first one is a little big, and you should have room to have another one underneath that is small. Now this is a tricky part. On the top of the oval, I'm gonna do a line, and underneath I'm gonna do another line. Okay, now this part is gonna be filled with black, and the ovals, we're gonna leave it white for a little bit of a shine on the eye. Here I'm gonna do an oval shape for the nostril, and then that's it. Let's finish the second eye, or let's do the second eye. I want to go down from this part down with a curve, and this curve is passing the nose, almost touching the mouth. And here we're going to do a line that goes to the right. And here I want to put lashes, 3 lashes. And inside I want to do again half a circle. So let's go down and touch the other side, and let's repeat the steps. So we're going to start with the ovals, a big oval and a small oval. And now I'm going to do the line that goes on the top of the oval and underneath. And let's fill this with black. There. To finish this eye, I'm just going to trace a line on the top from this corner of the hair. Let's go down. And I'm going to put a couple more lashes here to finish. That's it. Okay, now I'm going down, and I want to put here, this hair is going to come down here. So I'm just gonna trace from the ear a line that goes down, almost touching the eyelashes. And now let's do a triangle shape. And this line cross a little bit more. Now let's go down and join these two. There. Okay, now let's continue with the neck. So I want to come from this point down in a curved line, and it's just gonna pass a little bit the hairline. Okay. Now before I forget here, let's put some eyelashes in this eye because I forgot. So let's put just 2 little lines. Now let's go back to the legs, and I'm gonna do the leg that cross on the front. So I'm gonna come from in here and out a little bit and then go down. Going down with a curved line, and now I want to work on the leg that it has in behind. So from this point I'm going to go down with a diagonal line. So let's go down at the same line is here, and now I'm going to cross with another horizontal line, and let's finish by closing here. Now I'm going to continue with this front leg. I'm just going to do a curved line, and I'm going to go up with no going all the way out. So here I'm going to trace a line to reference, and now let's join these two together. I want to do the tummy here, and this is going to be a curved line that goes to the left, and I'm going to stop right there. And I want to do the back and the bottom part. So let's go up in a curved line, it goes down and stop right there. Okay, we're leaving a little bit space in between the two lines. Here I'm doing a teeny tiny line, and I want to go down here with another curved line at the same height as the other ones. So there. And now I want to do another one similar to this one and stop at the same height. And now let's join them. There. Yeah, I'm going to do her tail now. And the tail is going around from the top part here and touching the leg. So I'm going to put here a little dot. It's going to be kind of like a diagonal line to this. And now I want to start going down and stop at the point that I put for reference. And from this point, I'm going to go down in a little diagonal line. There. Let's do one more curve that comes from this point down, touching the leg. So I'm just going to start here and touch. And inside the tail, I'm going to put 2 more lines. So let's go up and down. I'm following the same shape that I did for the tail. And let's do one more. We're going to leave a space in between lines and go down. And there, that's it. We finished. I hope you like this drawing. And here's where you're gonna stop the video if you want to finish something we did or you want to catch up. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.